Okay guys, got some good news. Got the Skyfire up and running. Made some brackets, some of my brackets that I make for motorcycles for regulators. So I made up a few today. As far as it working, it worked great. Tool changer works great. Everything works really good. The only thing that I had a little problem with, and I don't know the answer yet, but a couple of people are working with me on it, is that when it rigid taps and it starts to come out, it's pulling my part up a little bit. So I know the feed rate isn't right. I am using Fusion 360, and you know, so I'll figure it out. Today's the first day I played with it, so but I'll get it figured out. I had to figure out a few things. I had to figure out to change it from Chinese to, or not Chinese, but millimeters to inches, which in the setup it says British. Why it wouldn't say imperial, but it says British, and you had yes or no. And for some reason, I looked at it a few times and was trying to figure out British, what British something. But anyway, that's how you change it to inches, is by British. It should say imperial units, like I said. So we got that. I figured out the automatic tool setter gauge. I figured that out. I kind of did it like Aaron did this time though. To do the tool setter, because I need to figure out how, even though I got the automatic tool setter working and it touches and comes up and sets the tools and stuff, there's got to be a reference, and I really, in all the paperwork and stuff, I haven't figured out when you go down and touch it off, what's your reference, you know, as far as that goes. With the way Aaron did it in his video off the Edge Technology block, at least you had a reference. You were using your probe, you know, the touch that lights up, and the same thing I did as far as that goes. And I used that on the touch-off gauge, but it just didn't seem to work right for me. And it wasn't that it didn't work right, I just didn't know where the datum was or what the zero is or anything like that. So I got to figure that out, but it's no big deal. Once I figure it out, it's going to work great. It's going to be a great option to have, or a way to do it. So I did a video, so it shows you cutting some brackets. From the angle I got it, you might not be able to see the material pull up a little bit as it's tapping to pull out, as it's coming out, but it does. So I had to go back and use my floating tap head for now, which is okay, it works great. So I mean, you know, and I needed to build brackets, so we're good there. So anyway, also I want to introduce you to a new part of my staff. Okay, I got a new cameraman. Okay, he's from Australia. He doesn't speak very good English. He says aluminium too, and I'm trying to teach him. But anyway, here he is. Okay, he's really nice, super nice guy as far as that goes. I don't know what to think about him other than he's awesome. He's a great cameraman. Anyway, I think he's helping you with the camera there. But anyway, I think we're going to name him Aaron because of all the help that Aaron has given all the Skyfire guys and everything like that. So there he is, and that's going to be Aaron from now on top of my machine. He's going to be the shop mascot. So anyway, I thought that would be really great, and I'm sure Aaron appreciates it. As far as that goes, so that's a shout out to Aaron. I also want to shout out to, again, everybody who's done help with the Skyfire stuff. Okay, you know, of course, Jam Boss for sure, and a lot of the guys, Lars Christensen, who does the 360 Fusion 360 videos and everything. Great stuff. You know, I learned a lot from him getting to this point, which isn't very far. It's my first day with this. You know, my other one was close, but it wasn't this. So anyway, I'm gonna get this set up. I'm gonna hook up and show you the videos I got here. So hopefully it's great. Now you're gonna see that I wasted some material doing this, but it was gonna be wasted anyway. So we can use it for shims or do something else. So, and if you got any suggestions or whatever, you know, let me know if you can figure out why the tapping is pulling my part out a little bit as it goes. It's straight from a Fusion 360 file. I'm using the AdTech file that I got from Aaron to do the post-processing. But other than that, that's it. Okay, have fun. See you next time. Bye. Okay, here goes another cut of the Skyfire SVM-2, sorry. So here we go, let's run it. I'm using the adjustable tap because I've noticed a couple times when I tapped it's pulling up the it pulls up the aluminum a little bit because of the something. I haven't figured it out yet, but we'll do a part anyway with the adjustable tap, which is a little bit safer. Here we go. The coolant going yet, or the mister. I'm just doing some testing and stuff, so this is why I'm spraying it and blowing it off and stuff. So now the cool part. I used to do all these parts by hand. Boom. Done. I think it's just over 3 minutes. It should take me a lot longer to do this, believe me. So anyway, there it is. I'm stoked, tapped. Again, rigid, this isn't, you know, I did it under rigid tapping, but like I said, it was pulling up the part a little bit as a tap was coming out. So I got to figure out what that was. I'm not sure. It's got to be that, you know, the feed coming out needs to be slowed down a little bit, but I'm using Fusion 360 to give me my G-code and stuff, but something's a little bit wacky still. All right, thanks a lot. Next.